You're looking at a 2017 Toyota Prius Prime plug-in hybrid premium edition with 4-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, 91,000 miles. This car comes fully loaded, every single option: ABS, traction, stability control, alloy wheels, LED lights, Toyota's full safety system. The numbers right here. Got heated leather seats, full power options. Let me turn the air conditioning down, sorry. Air conditioning is ice cold, climate control, backup camera, navigation, HD radio, premium sound, wireless charging pad for your phone, cup holders, push start. Exact mileage is 91,122. Lane keep assist, pre-collision, and radar cruise control, Bluetooth, hands-free. Car's been averaging 65.3 miles per gallon. Automatic high beams. This car has the ability to run on gas or electricity. So if you plug it in overnight, you can charge it, and it should get you about 25 miles on electricity alone. And then once that runs out, the gas engine will kick on, and you'll get over 55 miles per gallon with that. This also comes with the rubber mats as well. Cup holders in the rear. It does come with a charger. Absolutely no stories. If you're interested, please give us a call, 508-921-0301. Thank you.